So far, she.
Hey, do you got Daddy's wallet?
Yeah.
You taking all his money already? Hey, what does a dog do?
By a cow.
Yeah.
By a cow.
That's a doggy.
There you go.
Moo. What does a cow do? Moo. Moo.
Where you going?
Oh, there she goes.
Hey, you taking my wallet?
Come back. Hey, come back with my money. Hey, come back with my money. Salem. Come back. Come back. Where you at? I'm still videoing. Come back.
She's still
Still laughing way back there. Salem! She's so tickled at herself. She thinks that's so clever.
Salem.
Again? Again?
You coming back? What? She's calling you.
What, sugar?
You got Daddy's wallet.
Yeah.
Hey, again? Make the sign. Again? Hey. Salem. Again?
Put it back in. Give me your wallet. Thank you.
Daddy, let her do the again sign.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Put it back. Let me put them back in there. Let's see.
Again? Again? Do the again sign and then she'll do it.
Come on. Let me put them back.
That's more.
This
Daddy? Oh. Again? Salem, should we do it again? Yeah, there's again. Again? Hey. Again.
And do it again.
How does a dog go? We're just too into this right now.
She's got dog and cow confused.
Hey, how does a dog go? Where's Zabi? What does Zabi do?
Thank you.
Ribbit.
Thank you.
Ribbit.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mwah.
Yeah.